Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to view your account's status in Threads, the messaging app for Instagram. This will allow you to check your account information and make any necessary edits. To get started, open the Threads app on your Android device. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down the menu until you see Account and tap on it. From here, you can access information about your Threads account, including your username, password, and profile information. Tap on Account Status to view your account status information. Threads will take you to Instagram to view your account status information. Here, you can see your account type, verification status, and linked accounts. You can also make any necessary edits to your account from here. For example, if your account type is incorrect, you can change it to a personal or business account. If your verification status is pending, you can request verification. You can also manage your linked accounts, including Facebook and other social media platforms. It's important to regularly check your account status information to ensure your account is up to date and secure. This can help prevent unauthorized access and ensure you're getting the most out of your Threads and Instagram accounts. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view your account status in Threads and make any necessary edits. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.